For this day, I really like to glow. So I'm gonna be using this Illuminate sheet mask. Yeah, will brighten it and put your freshest face forward. So that sounds good. Oh, it smells really nice, but it doesn't smell good for the skin. I mean, like, it smells like chemicals. But I do have to say that I tried many of their sheet masks and they are amazing. So let me know what you guys think of every week one makeup tutorial and one vlog. Half of my followers loves vlogs and half of it loves the makeup tutorials. So I thought of, let's just do it both. 2 videos a week, one vlog, one makeup tutorial. What do you guys think? Let me know. I am just so excited to film today's video. I always hate applying these sheet masks. It's so cold. Okay, so let's see how much is going to give me a glow. Whoa. So I zoomed you guys in a little bit closer so that you guys can follow what I'm doing on my eyes. So I'm starting off with my brows. By the way, I love what it did to my skin. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'm glowing. So I'm just brushing my brow hairs up. And then I'm going to go in with the Brow Wiz from Anastasia. Can't stop using this. And I'm just going to fill in my brows. I'm using the color medium brown. Within 2 weeks, I'm going to invite my brother over. He's going to sleep over, my little brother from 6 years old. He has been asking me for so long to be on my channel, to film a video, do my makeup, which he doesn't understand. Like, doing makeup is like really doing the eyeshadow and all of that, but he wants to turn me into a superhero. Let me know if you guys would like to see my brother on my channel, because then I'm going to film this video very soon. And brushing the product through my brow. I'm, by the way, super excited to try out this new spray, the Resting Boss Face Spray from Anastasia, Hudabeauty. I really wanted her. I think I actually said this in a few tutorials back, that I wish Hudabeauty had a setting spray, and now she has. So we are going to try it out when I finish my face. Super excited. Anyways, now for my eyes. Going in with the Hudabeauty Rose Gold Remastered palette. And I'm going into the color Sandalwood. And now, because of that, the concealer is still kind of wet. I haven't set it. I'm just going to tap the eyeshadow onto my crease. Now I'm going into the color Henna, this color here. With the tapered blending E40 from Sigma, I'm going to go deeper into the crease. Now I'm going into the color Cocoa, and with my favorite brush, the Morphe M506, going to do the same thing, just deepening that crease. In all 3 of the palettes, I feel like the palettes look really similar, and I just need me a brown color. And there's just not a normal brown color in her palettes. Like, this is almost the same. I like her palettes, but I just need some browns. I was really like, today I'm going for a brown crease, a brown cut crease, and I thought about using these 3 colors. These are the only brown colors in all 3 of the palettes. Yeah, it's not really turning out that brown. But yeah, I know that this is going to work with the look that I'm going for, so I'm not gonna stop. Just wanted to mention that. So now I'm going to try out this product here. And I haven't tried, I think I haven't tried it out yet. And that's the Hudabeauty Matte Metal Melted Shadow. I did try it on my hand and I really like it. So I'm going in with the color Bamboo Hoops. This side is the matte shadow. I feel like it looks like a concealer or a foundation. But that's perfect for me to clean up the lid with. So let's try it out. I am going to use another brush to get really deep into the crease. And now I'm going back into the Remastered palette. So I'm going into Moon Dust, this color here. And I'm going to just apply this till the middle of my lids. Oh my god. Wow. That's beautiful. I'm just really ready for her to come out with a brown palette with like neutral colors. And yeah, basically neutral colors. And then I'm going into the color next to it. Hashtag blessed. This color here. I'm going to use my finger. Only on the outer part. So I'm going back in with the color Cocoa. Just for my outer feet to just deepen that a little bit more. I have a lot of plans for my channel. So about the bucket list, I made a lot of things, and like there's even one thing on it. And if you are a die-hard follower, then you know I'm obsessed with tornadoes, and my biggest dream, well, I have other dreams that are even bigger, but one of my biggest dreams that I have had forever is going to Oklahoma City and go tornado hunting and just be able to film all of that. And I think if I would ever see the first tornado in my life, I'm going to cry. And not because I'm scared, but like that would be just such a special moment. I've been looking at videos from tornadoes since I was like 6 years old. Anyways, that's one of my biggest dreams. So when I'm able to do that, I will be vlogging all of that. I have so many plans for this channel, guys. So make sure you hit the notification bell, since if you don't do that, sometimes YouTube does not show the videos from people you want to watch. Even from the biggest YouTubers, sometimes they will not show up into your subscription list. I really recommend you guys to turn on the notification bell of your favorite YouTubers if you really want to check the videos out. Now I have to stop talking because I think this video is going to be super long. So now I want to go in with the metal side, and that's this gold color. I don't know if you can see it from there. And I'm going to apply that on my lid to make it pop even more. Do you see this? Oh wow. Okay, I'm really excited since she sent me all the colors of these things. Melted shadows. I am really excited to try more of these. I'm going to go in and create a winged eyeliner with the Tarteist eyeliner. I'm just applying a coat of mascara to make sure that they mix in with the falsies that I'm going to apply. I'm going to apply these L'Amour lashes, one of my favorite lash brands. They have really beautiful lashes. I'm going to okay, stop it. I don't know why I have this the whole day in this video. I think I haven't talked English in a while. I used to film a lot of videos, so I would talk the whole time English. Now I've been busy with my study the whole time, everything in Dutch, and not talking that much English. So I think that's why I'm struggling a little bit more as usual. Anyways, in the color Rosalie, it's not a color, oh my god, what is this? In the style Rosalie. I'm going to apply that right now. Ta-da! Ta-da! I'm going to prime my face right now with the Hudabeauty Complexion Perfection Primer. This is one of my favorite primers. It's just filling in the pores. It just makes the foundation look better. For this special day, I want to glow. How is this actually called? This is a body shimmer, I think. I think it's the body highlighter. That's what it's called. Illuminator drops in the color Luna. Okay, I don't know if I applied too much, actually. Going in with this G40 brush from Morphe, and I'm just going to blend it out. I did not think about, whoa. This is a lot. With foundation on top of it, it will not show this much, of course. Whoa. Damn. I'm going to apply the Amazonian Clay foundation from Tarte. I love this foundation, and I really, oh my god, I need to contact Tarte because I really want to try out their new products. I haven't tried any of their new products. I used to be on their PR list or not. I don't know actually. I used to receive products from them and then out of nowhere they stopped sending me products, or I cannot even remember anymore. Guys, what do you think of reviews? Do you guys like reviews? I want to do reviews, like giving you the first impression, showing you everything, and then also doing a wear test, testing it out a whole day, testing out what it says. So if you guys like that, I could also do that too. Do you see that? It covered everything, and now you can also see how good this foundation covers. But there's still a nice glow. I'm going in with the Overachiever concealer again from Huda Beauty. So by dark circle, do you see that? What it did to my dark circle? Oh my god, really good. Right now I'm going to try out a new product from Huda Beauty, and that's the Tantour. And that I watched her video on YouTube, and that's a product that's between a bronzer and a contour product. Let me just look for that if I'm saying that right. It's a contour bronzer, so it's a little bit in between, but it's really cute in what kind of PR package. It's like a weight where you can like do exercise with, you know. So this is what the packaging looks like. And oh my god, this always with every new product this happens. Okay, I picked the wrong color. I'm reading that they came out with 5 rich shades. So rich. I want to see how dark rich is. I feel like that looks good. Then we are going to fair. I'm gonna see what they have for fair skin. Something went wrong here. Ah, So this is medium. I was like, is this for fair? Maybe I don't know enough about makeup and this is for fair, but this one is for fair. So that looks good to me. So I'm going in with the color light. Going to use the brush that came with it. So first I'm going to make the line with this side of the brush. I actually don't want to contour, I'm going to bronze, and I watched her video. She demonstrated how you can use the product when you want to contour and when you want to bronze. So now I'm bronzing. I have a large forehead, so I am going to make that less large, but it stays large. You know, my sister always bullied me when I was younger because my forehead was always more brown than the rest of my face, and then she would always say like, that's because the sun, oh my god, I cannot even say this, but that's because your forehead is getting all the sun and is blocking the sun for the rest of your face. Thank you, sister. So now I'm just going to blend it out with the other side of the brush. Wow, that blends really nice. I'm going to set my face now with the baked powder from Huda Beauty. Oh my god. I am going to use my sponge. This is going to allow the product to really be pressed into the skin. For blush, I'm going in with the Anastasia blush kit, and I'm going into this peachy color here. Using this Smith 154 brush. I'm going in with the Anastasia So Hollywood Loose Highlighter. Oh my god. These highlighters, they are sickening amazing. And I'm going to show you now. I have a dry base. I didn't spray anything on my face or on my brush. I'm telling you guys this because this will enhance and will make a highlighter even stronger. But this highlighter doesn't need that. It is just, okay, here we go. Do you guys see that? And this is just one time. I just went in one time. And I feel like if I do more, it's not elegant anymore. It will be just a disco ball. But I need more. I need that disco ball. I used the Smith 103 and now I'm going in with the Sigma E04. Yeah, the Lash Fan E04. I have a code on Sigma, it's Lila, and I will have that in the description box. Also with all the products and all the links to all the products and brushes. So I'm going to use that to highlight my brow bone. And of course, I'm gonna need some inner corner highlighter. And now the very exciting part, and that's the Resting Boss Face Spray. And it's saying extra hold. Auw! Oh my gosh.
Want als je die Venus-opmerking niet tussen je muziek kunnen vinden.
Ow! I sprayed it accidentally in my eye and it's getting red and it was not nice. It just really felt like hairspray. I do have to say that the spray itself, I would like if it would be a little bit more like bigger and less focused on one spot. But yeah, maybe if I just, let me try it. Yeah. Try to hold it a little bit farther. Okay. So, never mind. Forget what I said. But make sure you close your eyes. Some people have their mouth and their eyes open while they spray this, like in the tutorials. That's not gonna happen with this one. It just made everything melt together and made it more skin-like. So that's nice. This is nice. I'm going in with the Ico Brow Gel. Just going to brush my brow hairs up. Going back into the palette, and I'm first going to blend this darker color and then this one, this lighter color. And I'm only blending it on the outer V. I'm right now going to apply the lip contour from Huda Beauty in the color Flirt and the lip cream lipstick in Day Slayer. And by the way, if you're wondering where I got the earrings from, ow. I got them from a cheap store in Newcastle in a mall. I don't know what store it was. But a friend of mine told me that you can buy these also on AliExpress. So check that out. Hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. Hope you guys like the look. So if you recreate this look, don't forget to send it to me through DM. Anyways, thank you guys for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video.